Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You like this look? So today's review slash tutorial is going to be on the Sephora Pro, the Editorial palette, and this is what it is. These nice bright ass looks. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, don't be hating, keep on watching. To use my ABA Cosmetics eye primer in beige. Now this palette came out about a year ago, maybe year and a half ago. No, I'm gonna say about a year ago. I believe it came out in I have to do my research. I don't know if it was in 2017, I forget, or 2018, because I also know that they came out with like 3 new palettes, or the Pro palettes, in 2018. So, but this was one of their first release. So as far as highlighter goes, I am going to do, oh my god, I'll fix this later on. This is a mess. I hate putting eye primer with my fingers. I normally use a concealer brush. Alright, so as far as the color for the highlighter, the first one, it is called Porcelain, and it's this white one right there, and it is matte. And of course, that's going to go on right underneath the my eyebrows. Alright, and the next color that I'm going to use, I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to follow the sequence the same way I did the other one. So I actually started on the outer corner, something that I never do. I've never done. I don't know what made me do it today, but hey, that's what I did. And the name of it is called Electric Violet, which is this right here. It's like a purple blue. That's matte. And with that, I put that one on first, and then I went in with the color right next to it, which is called, sorry, that color is called Chris. And I went with the one right next to it, which is like a navy blue, but it's frosted. And then I went and deepened it with the black right underneath it. So let's do it. And it might look a little crazy, but then what I did was I went and I actually fixed it, of course, the edges with the a wipey. So I may not have to do it or not, but I started with this one on first before I went and mixed it. Right before I went and I did all the other mixing, what I did do was right above it, I took this color, which is also in matte, and it is called Eliza D like David, Eliza, which is right here. It's like, I'm gonna say like a deep, between like a pink, a burgundy. I'm gonna say more of like a burgundy, not so much a red. And I just went like right above it, which is funny. I don't know, I put that in there because I just felt that it was missing something. Because normally whatever color I'm going to put underneath the highlighter, I do that first. But I don't know, I just wanted something different. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and mix it in with those other colors that I showed you. Alright, so next we're going to start in from the inner eye, and the name of that color, it is called Ice, which is like a glittery light pink, I want to say. Let me give you a quick swatch of it. So it's got a lot of glitter. Let me take that piece of hair with it. It's very glittery. And then, let me do a swatch right on my hand. Oh, that's right. I'm gonna cut the crease. That's what I'm gonna do first. Cut the damn crease. This color has a lot of fallout, but you know, it doesn't, not because of the quality of the product, it's just the or the integrity of it, but just the nature of it. It's got a lot of glitter in it. Alright, so the next one, the last color within this palette, is called Tila, which is this hot pink right there, which is also matte. Alright, so now I'm just blending it in, and then we're going to go in with the glitter. So I'm going to start off with the outer corner, and the color is actually from Eye Candy. The name of it is called Sour Grape, and this is what it looks like. Oops, I went over. Shit. Let's see how I'm going to fix that. And I'm crunched for time. Alright, so the next color is from Coastal Scents. And it's a hot pink as well. This one right there, and it is called, fuck, I just spilled a whole bunch. Electric Pink. I just spilled a whole bunch of it all over me and the floor. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is just clean out any fallouts the shape. I went over it over here. I'm gonna have to somehow fix it. Put my mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and we will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. And this is gonna be really quick because I'm getting ready to go out. So this is 68 bucks, and the names of the colors are actually on the plastic insert, which I normally throw out, but I kept it because of that. I mean, not that knowing the name of the color really means much, but I don't know. I like to see names of the colors. And let's not forget, for those of you that are faithful at watching my videos, any palette with a mirror, especially this sucker right here, it is full. Thumbs up. All right, so what was my 2 cents? Oh yeah, and the lipstick I'm using is from MAC, and it is called, I can't see it, so I'm going to put the name down below. The letters are too little and I don't have my glasses on. So, what did I think about it? This is a fun and playful and colorful palette. I enjoyed doing the look with it. Like on these glittery shades, you do get a lot of fallout, but that doesn't take away from the integrity of the palette, simply because it's glitter. What do you expect from it? The mattes are a tidbit chalky. However, in terms of pigmentation, you're gonna get what you see on the palette, which I like, because a lot of times you get palettes, they have these bright ass colors, or whatever the color is, and it doesn't come out the same way, and you have to either apply a lot of it, but or depending on the color, foil it. But this is legit. What you see is what you actually get. And yeah, if you want a palette to create rainbow bright colors, this is definitely it. The only thing I feel that it's missing for such a bright palette is a bright yellow. Although I have problems yellows showing up on my skin tone. I've only found 2 brands, which is from the Melt Cosmetics and the Makeup Forever. I've tried other brands and they just don't show. So I give this a thumbs up. So this is a real quick review. Like I said, I liked it. The quality, it cost 68 bucks. I feel the palette is worth it. The price. You get a lot of colors. You can create tons of looks with this. There are other YouTubers who don't agree with the price, that it's a little bit pricey. I like it. The quality is good. It's all of that in a bag of chips. So if you want to continue and see more videos on looks and reviews, just subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you know when a new video comes up, and rate. And of course, as always, don't forget to unleash the makeup pour inside of you. Ciao guys.